Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option Passwords and Accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got the password entered, so let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on those sections and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info. You can turn it on and off, it's totally up to you. And tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. It is also visible in this Google section. As you can see, we are logged in. If you wish to remove the account, unfortunately you cannot do it right here in this Google section. It's impossible. However, you can still do it using the Passwords and Accounts. So just tap on it and tap on the account. Then let's tap on Remove Account, tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.